Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add one contact into your Flodesk account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a contact manually into your Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you meet people in the wild and you want to be sure to put them on your email list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact into your Flodesk, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options. Make sure you click on All Subscribers. Once you do that, you want to click on Add Subscriber in black. All right, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Add an Individual. Upload CSV as if you're going to be uploading a subscriber list. Okay, once you click there, you can go ahead and enter in the contact's email, first name, last name, and then you can go ahead and segment them if you set that up. So let me go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, once you entered in the required information, click on Save. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have a new subscriber in our Flodesk account that we manually added. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one subscriber into your Flodesk account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.